Hey everyone, welcome to another beautiful day in Bali. Today I have my friend here, Shu, who will be accompanying me on this trip, and today we are exploring I have no clue how to say it, to be honest. Tegenungan Waterfall. Do you want to give that a shot?
Yeah, it's Tegenungan, whatever it is.
Okay, alright, Tegenungan Waterfall. And we will go explore what the waterfall is like and what you can expect when you find here, when you come here, and what is around the area, really. So as soon as you enter, you'll see some shops on the side, and there's a booth as well that tells you, or it's a booth that you need to purchase your ticket from, and it's 20,000. Hello, how are you today? I've got the ticket right here. Okay. And we just bought that beforehand, and it's the opening hours of this place is 6:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. so you can come at any time, but I heard that it's actually quite packed at around the 12 p.m. mark, and we've got here at 9:30, so I want to see if there's a lot of tourists here or not. So let's go and give it a shot.
Indeed.
Yeah. So let's have a look. So ticket was 20,000 for one person, and that's approximately $2. $2 in AUD.
Yeah.
Yeah, $2 in AUD. Now let's do a tour. So what do we have here? We've got shops and some markets. Alright, so this is here is where you show your ticket to get in. Morning. Oh, stamp my head. Alright, I have been marked. We have been marked.
Indeed.
Alright, now it's time to go in and see what we have in here. Okay, so this is an amazing view right here. Oh my goodness. I can't see it, but behind there is the waterfall, and you can take an Instagram picture here. And there's a nice bridge which you can walk across as well. Alright, so we've just gotten to the waterfall, and there is a beautiful lookout point right here which you can take, and it's overseeing the waterfall and the village down there. There's a pool over there as well. And we're gonna go walk on that bridge to see where it takes us to the waterfall over there. Let's go check it out. Just as we're walking down, there is a place where you can take an Instagram shot over there as well, that just overlooks the waterfall. And now we're gonna be heading down to see what's down here and how far we have to take to actually get to the waterfall itself. It's pretty steep stairs down there. So let's go. Wow, we've just like walked not even a meter down and we saw this amazing view over here. Look at that. It's kind of similar view to before, but it's not, because you get to oversee the villa, the waterfall and the bridge at the same time. It is absolutely stunning to take a photo right here. Right, Shiv? He's not very responsive today. Okay, we're gonna walk down now.
Where I can climb stairs? No.
Oh, it's like a waterfall, like it's a hiking track. Oh, you can go here as well.
Go for it.
Oh. Can even sit in this and take some good Instagram shots here. Alright, let's go. Alright, we have just hit the bottom of the actual mountain itself, and you have the option of going to the toilet on this side, and there's a locker that you can rent as well, or you can go straight to the waterfall, or something called Oma, which is the day club in Bali. So let's go and see what that's like. Alright, we've just walked that way, and now we're going up the stairs, and we want to show you the best part. So when I get closer to the cliff, I want to show you what the view is like. Alright, so it's a little bit slippery here, guys, so you gotta be careful. What is it? Oh my god. There's some lucrative signs if you guys want some here.
I'm here without you, baby.
I'm here without you. Happy wife, happy life. No way. Oh, my husband is awesome. Kiss me desperate. That's some funny ass signs right there. Alright, now we're gonna walk through. We're gonna have to walk on this. Yes, a little bit steady, but if you take the wrong move, you're gonna fall down. But it's okay because, you know, we bought our swimmers for a reason, right? Just in case. Okay, can we do this? It is attached by one string over there. Alright, ready? Let's go. Oh, it is slippery. I'm telling you guys this now. That is super slippery right now. Look at these holes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, we made it. We made it. Woo! Done. That guys.
The technical bit hasn't started. Yeah, right time.
I know. Oh, okay. So in saying so, you can swim here if you want, but not to the point where you can go under the waterfall, because it's very hard. And there's a net over there which blocks you from going to the end. So yeah, definitely would not recommend going any further than that. Also, don't jump off the cliff. Pretty straightforward stuff, guys, because that looks dangerous. So here we are. We have just made it to Tegenungan Waterfall. There is a nice cafe over there, and very nice Instagrammable shots here as well. Right? Look how nice it is. Look at this. Wow. Okay, so we have just gone from that area over there and walked across through more bamboo, we just call them steps, yeah, bamboo planks, bamboo planks, and now we're going to go head up to the top over there, but it is very rocky here, so we're just gonna go up there to the top. So one thing I wanted to show you as well, but when you get here, there is a place where you can swing and take some good Instagram shots. So if we look here, there's a swing just below the waterfall, and here it is. And to actually go on the swing and take a shot, it's 100k to pay to actually do that and get a good Instagrammable shot. So for all you Aussies out there, that is $10 if you want to. And on top of that as well, boys, if you want to do weights, there's also weights here that you can do as well. Shuv's doing some demonstration. These weights are made of concrete and a steel bar. A steel bar? Would you call that a steel bar? Steel pole? Yeah. Is it heavy? What do you reckon is how many kilos do you think?
Kgs?
Yeah.
How many kgs is this? How heavy is this?
Yeah. Maybe 10, I don't know. No.
You reckon 10 kilos?
No.
No?
I am making here.
Oh, you make it here?
Yeah.
Oh, so you make these?
Yeah, I am making here. We have a plan of getting from over there. We just getting cement and this.
Oh, wow. So these are like homemade weights. So these are like kettlebells, but instead he's put...
20, 10, 10.
He's actually put concrete in them to be able to use them like weights. Oh, so this is 4 kilos.
Yeah.
Wow, very impressive. That's very good.
Look at, for example. Why you laugh?
No, I'm not laughing. I was laughing, but you know. It's good to lose weight, right? Make you stronger.
Never drink too much beer.
Ah, too much beer. Ah, it's okay. You exercise, you make it go down.
Long time ago, my stomach is flat.
Ah, flat before?
Do surfing.
Ah.
But here, I'm walking here right now.
Oh, okay. So now you just do weights. You got a bench and you do weights. He said to do these weights it'll make my ass bigger. That's cheeky. Oh, it's okay.
Yeah, it's damn light. Good for your biceps.
That's not that heavy, it's okay.
It's not heavy at all. But do for your biceps.
Huh? I've got biceps.
Yeah, lift it for your biceps.
For biceps, lift it for biceps.
Come on.
Oh, it's heavy though. It's really heavy.
I love that.
It's really heavy.
And then put you on the mirror.
Oh, in the mirror. Alright, if anyone wants to do weights here at the waterfall, you've got options here. It's just for fun, but you know, feel free to talk to the locals and do weights with him. Yeah, if you want to be big like this guy here.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes. For example, look at.
You tell people come exercise with you.
Huh?
Exercise, people exercise with you.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I want to do.
Yeah, which one?
Like this.
Show us the exercise. Which exercise are you doing? Oh yeah. That's shoulder press?
That's okay, you gotta go up more.
More. Like this.
Yeah.
More. Yeah. Like this. Wow. Thank you, coach. Thank you, coach. I never do this in the gym. I just here. Yeah, amateur.
Try something new.
Good.
What was your name?
Me,
Yeah.
Ellie.
Ellie, nice to meet you. I'm Mary.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
And that's Shuv over there. Shuv,
Yeah.
Ellie.
Find me in Instagram, Ellie Riverboy.
Ellie Riverboy, guys, if you ever want.
On Facebook, Ellie Waterfall.
If you want to exercise with him, this is the place to go to.
Yeah. I'm not a professional trainer.
He's your personal trainer, but I think he's better at surfing though.
Alright.
Alright, let's go to our next destination. Okay, so we've just walked from here to where we were doing the weights. I'm sweating now, but you also have to pay another ticket to get in, to get to the top. And how much was that?
20,000 one person.
20,000 one person.
Yeah, so
Okay.
2 people.
So 2 people.
One more? Oh, yeah.
Oh, there you go. So 20,000 to get up. Thank you. See you later. Alright, so what's this? Is it different? Oh, right. So it's got like the middle view and the top view as well. Alright, let's go up. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, they've got music here as well. Alright, so it says please sit down and stand up 1 meter from the edge of the cliff. Let's have a look. Alright, so there's more signs here that you can see. Big banana, small banana. Oh, okay. I'm not going to say that, but you guys can visually see that, okay? They've got some really interesting stuff. Don't forget to smile, I'm handsome. Yeah. Interesting. And you can get as close to the cliff as possible to be able to get some good pictures here. But you just gotta be very careful. Now we're going to the waterfall, get as close as we can to... Alright, ready? Wow. Just walked down there and now we're heading up with more stairs, and we're at the top or middle of the waterfall right now. Well, top actually. Alright, we have continued to walk up these stairs, but this is a really nice place where you can actually see the view. And that's where people are swinging as well. Alright, so while walking up the stairs, we actually just have gotten to River Bali, and it's a bar up here at top of the waterfall, and we're gonna go see what it's like from the beginning. So let's go and explore this place. Alright, so we have just seen the waterfall. What is it called? Tegenungan. I have no clue how to say it.
It's a tongue twister.
Tegenungan Waterfall, and that's what you can expect when you come here. We are completely shattered. It has been so hot and sweaty. But in saying so, there's really nice lookout points for you to see there. So if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe, and we'll be back for more. See you guys later.